Hey Soul Fam, Emily here. Today I have for you a 5-minute warm-up for your Pilates session. So when you're ready, come join me on your mat. So let's get straight into it, and we'll start with some half moon circles in the neck. But to begin, let's get ourselves standing nice and tall through the body. The feet can be about hip-width apart, a slight pulling of the lower belly and navel in, rolling the shoulders on the back, and an ever so slight tuck of the chin into the chest. And we'll start simple with our half moon. So we'll bring one ear to one shoulder. Gently take the head down, round to the other shoulder. We'll stop there, take the head back down and round to the beginning. And we'll continue this nice little sway in the head, side to side. And we can get our breath incorporated with the movement here. So we inhale to one side and exhale to the other. And we'll just keep this going with the breath a few more times. Just stretching out through the sides and the back of your neck. Releasing any tension there. One more sway each side. And then we can gently bring the head back to its center. And we'll come into some shoulder rolls next. We'll start rolling the shoulders backwards. Lifting the shoulders up to the ears, onto the back, and then sliding them down the back. Like we're sliding the shoulder blades into some pockets. Lovely, nice big exaggerated rolls here to really open through the chest and shoulders. Get the arms involved a little bit here as well. Lovely. Just a couple more. And then we'll come back to a nice neutral spine. Resting one arm by the side, we'll circle out through the other arm. And we'll be mindful as we do a circle through this arm, keep the shoulder and hip facing forwards. It's tempting to open the body out to the side just so we can make a big circle, but then we're missing the point of this exercise. So try to keep the body facing forwards and feel that stretch through the armpit and the arm as you circle it back. And then let's reverse. Take the circles back round the other way. Again, keep the hip and shoulder facing forwards. Concentrating on your body and having a level of awareness as you move. One more circle. Beautiful. And then we'll relax that arm. Let's go into the other side, lifting up and circling it back. Lovely work. Really reaching through those fingers, activating all those muscles through the arm. Beautiful. One more this way. And then we'll reverse. Take it round the other way. Lovely. Again, that shoulder and hip faces forwards. Lovely work. One more. Over and down. Lovely. Arms rest by the sides again. And we'll inhale to reach over with the left arm, taking a little side bend. And then we inhale to come back to our center. Inhale, reach over. Exhale, back down. Lovely. Let's keep that going with the breath. Reach and down. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you come back down. One more each side. Reaching over and down. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Lovely. We'll come into our wrists next. So interlace your fingers and roll out those wrists. Making a nice infinity type circle here with the wrists. And then we'll reverse these circles. It might feel kind of funky, but give it your best go. Great. And then let's release our fingers, roll the wrist around a few times individually. There may be some clicking going on here, and that's fine. So long as it's not a painful click, then we shan't worry. Reverse your circles. And then we can give the hands a good shake, a wiggle of the fingers, and maybe a scrunch and flex. Let's come back to our spine quickly. I'm going to stand sideways just so you can see. We'll do some roll downs and ups, warming the vertebrae of the spine. So again, finding length in the body, shoulders on the back. Exhale, we'll tuck in the chin and roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Let your arms and head hang. Bend into your knees. And then when you reach a stop, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, engage the core and slowly roll back up your spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. Inhaling at the top. Exhale, tuck in your chin, slowly rolling back down, bending the knees to take the pressure off the back. One more time. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, rolling up the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. Lovely. Let's come into our hips, knees, and ankles next. So hands can rest on the hips here. We'll start on our left leg. As you exhale, we'll bend the left knee and bring it in line with the hip. Then as we inhale, lengthen that leg back down. Either we hover the foot just above the ground, or we can just bring the toes down if we're a bit wobbly today. Exhale, bend the knee. Inhale, lengthen the leg. 3 more. Exhale, inhale. In and down. Last one. Exhale, inhale, lengthen. Beautiful. Switching your legs. We'll come to the right side. When you're ready, exhale, bend the right knee. Inhale, lengthen the leg down. Exhale, in. Inhale, hover. Exhale, inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. One more time, bend it in and lengthen it down. Lovely. Give those legs a little shake. And just to make sure we're real nice and warm, we'll finish with some squats. So with the feet about hip width apart, maybe slightly wider, it really depends on your anatomy here, how your pelvis is built and even your knees. So personally for me, because of my joints, I like to have my toes slightly pointing out to the corners of the mat. But for you, perhaps maybe having your big toe almost in line with the knee feels much better and more supportive for your joints. So we can play around with this. We'll hold the hands together just in front of the chest. And as we inhale, bend your knees and sit the hips down like we're about to sit down into a chair. And exhale, we'll come back to stand. Beautiful. Inhale, bend the knees, sit down. Exhale, press down through the heels and stand. Inhale, squat down. Exhale, engage the core and lift. Ooh, a nice big full body one here. Down and up. 2 more. Inhale, squat down. Exhale, come up. One more time. Sitting down and up. Beautiful work. We can give those legs a little shake again. And hopefully we are feeling nice and warm and ready for our Pilates session next. Thank you so much for joining me.